What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I'm pumping videos out like crazy. I just start my travel assignment tomorrow. So the next 3 days, I'm going to try to squeeze videos in between those with my assignments and stuff. I work 7A to 7:30 p. So after that, I may try to do a video on dividend stocks, specifically one or two in the video, ones that you guys really requested and are asking me a lot of questions about. So I'm going to reflect my thoughts. Of course, none of this is financial advice for entertainment purposes only, as well as pumping. I'm not a pump and dumper. I'm a long-term dividend investor. So this dividend stock, you guys have had me do numerous reviews on, and comments, I go live. And I finally put my finger on the trigger and bought this high yield dividend stock. I'm going to go over it. I'm going to provide my rationales as to why I'm buying it. I actually changed my QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD ratio in M1 Finance to buy this dividend stock, and as well as Zim. So I'll do a review on Zim tomorrow. I'm going to start the series on a lot of these shipping stocks and my experiment with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I'm going to go over that a little bit. It's not perfected yet, but so far the experiment is working. And a lot of you guys recommended, for me to check out the stock, and a lot of you guys buy the stock, a lot of the shipping stocks. So it's really paying off, and it's just very interesting, that philosophy and that perspective from an investing standpoint, because you're used to dividend stocks that just have slow dividend hikes or consistent dividend hikes, and then you get this scatterbomb approach with these shipping stocks, and then they give X amount of dollars of their revenue back to investors, and then all of a sudden you see in my M1 Finance I get money taken out because of international stocks. But anyways, let's talk about this dividend stock. This one is hot. This one is popular. Many people are capitalizing on a little bit of a dip, and these guys are a new kid on the block. So let's check this stock out right now. That stock is Jackson Financial. It's a new kid on the block, sitting at $32.78. There was way up there in the past January 7th. It was way up there at $45.77. Then it jumped up to $43.40. So in the past year, it's actually done well against the S&P. So that's one thing that's attractive. And these guys have very good revenue. They have a dividend yield of 6.71%, a PE ratio 0.52, average volume 982.45K, market cap is 278 billion, 2.78 billion US dollars. Year range is 2279 to 4776. Its day range is 3269 to 3350, and its previous close was 3388. So there's a major dip that happened. So I'm going to go over these guys as a company and why I like these guys and why I pulled my finger on the trigger today. So I'm on their website. Jackson is committed to clarify the complexity of retirement planning for you and your clients. Our range of annuity products, financial know-how, history of award-winning service, and streamlined experiences strive to reduce the confusion that complicates your clients' plans. We believe by providing clarity for all today, we can help drive better outcomes for tomorrow. So they're a Fortune 500 company, $375 billion in total assets, nearly 3,500 U.S. associates in 2021, over 5.6 million donated to charities. So here's some of their products and services that we need to go over. So check this out. We lead with purpose. We are committed to a culture of integrity, inclusion, empowerment, and growth. So they're a family of companies. All of their businesses are aligned under a common purpose and set of values. But the independence and unique culture of each allows us to offer the intimate personal level of service that's been our calling card since we opened our doors. They have national life insurance, national asset management. So this one's very interesting. The investment manager is responsible for selecting and monitoring the external asset managers of JNL funds, a series of proprietary mutual funds, or the Jackson Variable Annuity Platform, and providing the accounting and administrative services for the funds. In addition, JNAM directly manages several risk based multi-strategy fund of fund offerings available exclusively through Jackson Products. There's a national life insurance company, and then PPM America is a client-focused investment manager, has the experience and substantial resources to provide its clients with investment solutions across markets, including fixed income, private equity, and commercial real estate. However, like a smaller shop, PPM remains nimble, investment-led, and responsible to the opportunities that its teams discover together. So, this is the interesting thing. So, on their website, they go over videos and they understand, like right here, this is very important, understand the retirement landscape and how we can help. So they provide things on there. But the most important thing about these guys is their revenue. Okay, so they're such a, they present themselves very professional and that they're here for their clients and everything. How have they backed themselves up as a stock, as a company, and as a dividend stock? Let's check this out. And check out their revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2019, 3,478. 2020, a little bit of a dip. You can blame the pandemic, 3,206. And then 2021, 8,848. So there's a huge jump in revenue. So that's one thing that's attractive. I'll even go over their quarterly statements. Check this out. June 2021, the revenue was $232.00 million. Operating expenses $600.00 million. Net income's down negative $540.00 million. Net profit margins down negative $232.76. Then watch September. Revenue $1.49 billion, way up 1,237.80%. Operating expenses $613.60 million, up 500.88%. Net income $206.20 million, up 151.99. Net profit margin 13.87, up 103.89. Then December, revenue jumped from 1.62 billion, up 170.20%. Operating expenses 702.50, up 13.91. Net income is up 585.30 million, up 678.32%. Net profit margin 36.07, up 188.10%. Then we jump to March, a little bit down, big deal. Revenue 4.30 billion is down 21.90 million. Now you can blame the economy. Operating expense 607.00 million. Net income is down 30.93%. Net profit margin is a little bit down, negative 11.57%. Then June, revenue 6.52 billion, way up 2,709.91%. Operating expense, a little bit down, big deal, 13.83%. Net income, 2.90 billion. Net profit margin, 44.53. So it's up 119.13%. Then, okay, I'm going to go over their dividend history. Now, again, these guys are a new kid on the block. So here's 12/9/2021, 50 cents. Then it jumped up to 55 cents on 2022. So payout ratios 12%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 1. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years, it's new, so it's not available. So if you bought one share, you made $220 with a 6.50% dividend yield. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I hope you guys enjoyed my video with my new dividend stock that I bought. I finally put my finger on the trigger with these guys, and I'm very excited to see these guys as a company. And again, I'm going to reflect on this. This is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I am not a pumper. I do not pump and dump stocks. I plan on having this as a long-term dividend stock unless something changes. This is why I post videos and provide my rationales as to why I buy these dividend stocks. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. So please hit that notification bell because I'm pumping videos out for you guys, and I'm very excited to reach 10,000 subscribers and celebrate with you guys. Take care and have a good one.